Hello, I'm Abhishek HS, working as an AI engineer at QPy AI. Today in this video, I'll walk you through the memory system in Agent Hive and explain how it helps you track conversations, understand agent reasoning, and manage historical interactions. Memory is a critical component for building reliable, transparent, and enterprise-grade AI agents. Let's take a closer look. First, let's look at the memory dashboard. Memory in Agent Hive stores the history of all interactions between users and AI agents. This includes conversations, reasoning traces, and tool usage logs. This is the tabular view of memory. Here, users can see all past conversations in a structured table format. Users can review responses, inspect agent behavior, and delete specific conversations when needed. At the top, there is a search bar which allows user to search through past conversations and memory entries. Let's say, for example, email. Here you can see all the chat results which are related to email. This is especially useful for debugging, auditing, and retrieving historical knowledge. Now the area drop-down allows filtering memory by type. All areas displays all stored memory entries. Solution shows only the final responses returned to the users. Fragments contains the internal reasoning and thought process of the agent. Instruments logs the tools and integrations used by the agent during execution. This separation provides deep observability into how the agent thinks and acts. Agent Hive also provides a visualization view which displays the same memory data in a graphical format. This helps team understand agent workflows and behavior patterns more effectively. Now let me show you a quick demo of how these memory functionalities work inside Agent Hive. First, let's look at the search functionality. Here, users can search across all past conversations and memory entries using keywords. For example, I'll search using a keyword from a previous interactions. As you can see, the system instantly filters the results and shows only the relevant memory entries. This makes it easy to retrieve past conversations, analyze previous responses, and quickly locate important informations. Next, let's look at the area drop-down filter, which allows us to view specific types of memory data. When we select all, we can see every stored memory entry, including conversations, reasoning fragments, and tool usage logs. When we select solutions, we only see the final responses returned to the user. This is useful when reviewing output quality or validating agent responses. When we select fragments, we can view the internal reasoning or intermediate steps generated by the agent. This is very useful for debugging and understanding how the agent arrived at a decision. Now let's look at the visualization view of memory. In this view, memory entries are represented as data points in a visual space. Each point represents a stored memory item such as conversation, reasoning fragment, solution, or tool usage record. These points form cluster based on similarity. If points are close to each other, it means those memory entries are related. For example, they may belong to similar conversations, similar topics, or similar agent reasoning patterns. If points are far apart, it means those memories are less related. As you can see here, multiple clusters are formed. Each cluster represents group of related memory entries. For example, one cluster might represent conversation about coding tasks, while another cluster might represent tool usage or integrations. Users quickly understand how memory data is organized and how different conversations relate to each other. Different colors represent different types of memory, such as fragments, solutions, or instruments. This makes it easier to visually separate reasoning data from final output and tool usage. And that's how memory visualization helps users understand and explore agent data inside Agent Hive. Thank you for watching.